What's up, people? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch right after this. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. Alright, so today we're going to be checking out the Samsung Galaxy Watch. I grabbed this on Amazon. I just so happened to be scrolling and I saw that they had it for $100 off. So I went ahead and grabbed it. So let's get into the box. So this here is the LTE version. They have this in the non-LTE. In order to use the LTE version of this, you will need to add it to your cell phone plan. But that is not needed. So you open the box and you're presented with the actual watch itself. Has a nice little weight to it. It also comes with this rubber band. I did actually purchase some additional bands, so I'll take a look at those later. Just set that down, see what else comes in the box. Alright, so here we have, actually gives you an extra band. This most likely is the smaller one. Right here you have your power brick. It's a regular old USB type A power brick. It's probably one of the leftover ones they had from an old phone or something. You have your USB, micro USB. Oh, they're going real cheap on us now. So this has a micro USB to USB type A cable. I guess they had a bunch of these sitting in the warehouse. And then you have your dock. So this is how you charge it. You just will sit your watch here. Sort of like that. And then you have your user manual. Nobody ever reads that. So let's move all that to the side. So this is the contents of the box. Let's see if we can get it powered on. Now I'm going to be pairing this up with my Samsung Note. But you can also use this with any Android phone. And you can also even use it with an iPhone if you want to. Just using it through Bluetooth. But to get the most out of it, you need to use it with an actual Samsung phone. Taking a look around the watch. This is how it looks. Has the silver bezel. I actually also bought some covers for this because I wanted the all black version, but they didn't have it. So they actually sell covers that you can use to cover up this silver part. And I bought a couple of those. And if you look here on the back, it has your sensors like your heartbeat, and some other health tracking sensors that you need on a smartwatch. If you look on the side of it, has two buttons, and that's the only other button. That's the only buttons on the phone. Just those two buttons on the side. And that's how thick it is. I don't know which one of these turns it on, but I'm sure it's one of these. So see, not that one. Not that one either. There we go. So how it looks when it starts up. While it's booting up, I'm gonna show you some of the bands I got for it. Of some of the actual covers that you can use for it. I have a blue one. I think this is the black one. You got like a bronze color. Then you have the actual bands. There's a million different bands you can get for this on Amazon. This is just a couple of them, but okay. So actually, it's a cool thing to just have. As soon as I powered this on, got a notification on my phone saying, I don't know if you can see that it automatically recognized the watch. So another one of the advantages of having an actual Samsung phone. Like I said, this will work with any Android phone, and it will also work with iPhone. But like I said, you get a little bit easier setup and probably a couple additional features using it with an actual Samsung phone. Looks on the arm, not too big, nice size. This is actually 46 millimeter. So hit a watch. I'm trying to position it so you can see, but hopefully it will focus. But we're gonna start with the phone. So, alright, so I'm gonna go ahead into the phone. We're gonna hit add now. Allow, and allow. And you see this loading up with the actual app. Now I'm feeling vibrating now. Tap to connect. I'm gonna go ahead and tap. And then it says go to your phone to complete setup. So I'm gonna also hit connect on the phone. Now it's setting up. Okay, so let's just take a look around the actual watch face. Go ahead and peel this plastic off. On this watch is you can go through the menus with this rotating dial. And that's the home key. That's cool. So there's a function to actually turn the watch off with your palm. So if you try to save battery, and that will turn the screen off. So that's pretty cool. So let's see what type of things you can find on the watch. I don't want to make this video too long, but so you can have your weather. This is where you can add some apps. So you see you have the store, you have your notifications, your calendar, and then that's your contacts. Right here is where you can look at your daily activity. So you can see your calories. Pretty sure you could track your steps, check your heart rate, those type of things. Yep, here's where you shows what your heart rate is, the amount of steps you took, the amount of calories you burned, and that's probably how many steps, or if you went many hills. And then you have your contacts, got your reminders, your calendar. Today's St. Patrick's Day. You actually have something that can track your stress levels. And then if you want to track any of your activities, they have a few already preloaded. You have running, cycling, and swimming. And with the add button, you can add other activities. Then you have your music player. So that was actually just synced up to my YouTube music account. So that will just stream music straight from your phone. You can actually play it on a speaker, or you can just use this as an actual controller to like skip tracks or pause or mute. So that's pretty cool. Then this is where you get into your apps. So they have several different apps that you can download on the actual watch and access here. So this is like a news briefing. They actually have a barometer here, and this is where you can add other widgets. So didn't want to go too in depth with this video, but just wanted to give you a basic breakdown of some of the stuff that's on this watch. So after I have a little bit more time with it, I will be releasing a more deep breakdown and tutorial on how to get everything set up and everything that this watch can do. But for right now, I just wanted to give you just a quick overview of it and show you what comes in the box. So if you have any other questions that I might be able to answer before I take a deep dive, just drop them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to get to them. And that's going to be the end of this video. So until next time, peace out. Thanks for watching.